video, we're going to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now, in our previous video, we talked about what an improper fraction is, so today we're going to convert them, starting with 7/2, or 7/2. The first step is we're going to identify our numerator and denominator, and we're going to divide our denominator into our numerator. So for example, in 7/2, our numerator is 7. And our denominator is 2. So what I'm going to do is take our 2 and I'm going to divide it into 7. Now, how many times does 2 go into 7? Well, I know that 2 times 3 gives me 6, and that goes as close to 7 as I can get. So now I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 6 gives me 1, and that is all that I'm going to do. So now I know that my mixed number is, I take whatever is at the top here, so that's 3. That's going to be my integer, my whole number. And then I'm going to take whatever's left, which is our 1, and then I'm going to leave my denominator the same. So 7/2 converts to 3 1/2. Now let's look at another example. In example 2, we have 14/5, or 14/5. The same steps we're going to take. We're going to identify our numerator and identify our denominator. Our numerator is 14, denominator is 5. So I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to divide that into 14. Well, 5 goes into 14 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Again, we need to get as close to 14 as possible without going over. So that's why we couldn't use 3 right there. So now I'm going to subtract 14 minus 10, and that gives me 4. Now I can form my answer. Well, I know that it goes 2 whole times, so that means that 2 is going to be my whole number here. 4 is what's left over. That goes into my numerator. And then our 5 remains in our denominator. So 14/5 convert to 2 4/5. Let's look at example 3. Now our numbers are a little bit bigger. So now I'm going to do the same thing. Well, my numerator is 54. My denominator is 32. So I'm going to take 32 and I'm going to divide that into 54. Well, 32 goes into 54 only one time. 32 times 1 is 32, and I'm subtracting that. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I have 22 left over. Now I'm going to form my answer. Well, I do know that 32 goes into 54 one whole time. So I know that my whole number is 1. 22 is what's left over right here, so that's my numerator, and then our denominator remains the same with 32. So 54/32 converts to 1 22/32. Now I want you to try this next one. We have 65/12. I want you to pause the video, work out this problem. After you get your answer, come back to the video and let's check our answers together. So go ahead and pause it. All right, welcome back. Here we go. We got 65/12. So I'm going to take 12 and I'm going to divide that into 65. I know that 12 times 5 is 60. So I'm going to put a 5 at the top and subtract 65 minus 60. Well, 65 minus 60 gives me 5. Now I can form my answer. Well, I know that 12 goes into 65 5 whole times. So 5 is my whole number. 5 is also my numerator, and 12 is my denominator. So 65/12 converts to 5 5/12. How did you do? I want you to put your answer in the comments. Tell me how you did. If you have any suggestions for any videos moving forward, please make sure you put that in the comments as well. Hope you guys have a great day, and until next time.